بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد.
Break of Dawn. This surah is Madani and comprises 5 ayat, verses. With the name of Allah, the All-Merciful, the Very Merciful. Say, I seek refuge with the Lord of the daybreak, from the evil of everything He has created. These 2 surahs, placed at the end of the holy text in the present arrangement, were revealed to teach the Holy Prophet ﷺ and his followers how to seek Allah's refuge from the unseen actions of sorcerers, devils, and hostile human beings. According to authentic reports, some Jews cast a magical spell on the Holy Prophet ﷺ. By virtue of the divine protection given to him, no magic could refrain or divert him from discharging his duties as a prophet. However, the spell cast by the Jew made him to suffer from some disease. On that occasion, these 2 surahs were revealed, and the Holy Prophet ﷺ was directed to recite them, after which he was freed from the influence of the witchcraft. Then the Holy Prophet ﷺ used to recite them every night before going to sleep. And from the evil of the dark night when it penetrates. Most of the sorcerers practice their sorcery in hours of night. Moreover, this is the time when all harmful creatures come out and try to subject people to their evil acts. And from the evil of the women who blow on their knots. This is one of the ways generally adopted by sorcerers, especially by women practicing witchcraft. And from the evil of an envier when he envies. Normally, the basic reason of using black magic against someone is jealousy. In addition, jealousy may prompt the envier to afflict other harms to a person. That is why it has been specifically mentioned in this context.